Welcome to our fascinating journey into the wild world of cannibalism in the animal kingdom. It might seem like something out of a horror film, but as we'll soon discover, this behavior, while unsettling, is often a survival mechanism, ensuring the strongest genes are passed on. Today we'll uncover 12 creatures that have the shocking habit of eating their own kind. From the depths of the ocean to your own backyard, cannibalism exists in some of the most unexpected places. So our journey begins in the deep blue with the sand tiger shark. Though they may seem like the villains of the sea, their cannibalistic tendencies begin long before they are even born. Deep within the mother's two wombs, a macabre dance of survival unfolds. The largest and strongest embryo, driven by instinct and hunger, will consume its own siblings. This intrauterine cannibalism, as brutal as it seems, ensures that only the fittest shark survives to see the outside world. Next, we venture into the world of insects with the praying mantis, a creature known for its predatory prowess and rather unorthodox mating rituals. The female, often larger and stronger than the male, will sometimes engage in sexual cannibalism, consuming her mate after or even during the act of mating. This chilling act is not solely out of aggression. The male's body provides the female with vital nutrients, ensuring the survival of her offspring. Equally infamous for their deadly mating rituals are black widow spiders. These arachnids continue the theme of sexual cannibalism, where the female, significantly larger than the male, will often consume her suitor after mating. This act, while seemingly gruesome, serves a vital purpose. The male provides the female with essential nutrients needed to produce and care for her eggs, increasing the chances of her offspring's survival. Our journey into the unsettling world of cannibalism takes us from the exotic to the familiar, the common hamster. These seemingly docile creatures, beloved as pets, can exhibit shocking behavior when it comes to motherhood. In times of stress, overcrowding, or if they perceive a threat to their young, mother hamsters may resort to cannibalism, consuming their own offspring. We journey to the forests of India, home to the sloth bear. These shaggy-coated creatures, known for their love of honey and insects, are normally solitary animals. However, mothers are fiercely protective of their cubs. Sadly, in cases of extreme stress, particularly in captivity, sloth bear mothers have been observed killing and eating their own young, a tragic consequence of an unnatural environment. Even in our own backyards, cannibalism can rear its ugly head amongst the seemingly harmless chicken. While not inherently cannibalistic, chickens can develop this disturbing behavior in certain conditions. Overcrowding, stress, and nutritional deficiencies can lead to a breakdown in social order, resulting in chickens pecking at and even consuming their weaker flockmates. Our exploration of cannibalism takes us back to the insect world, this time to the humble cricket. These chirping creatures, often associated with summer nights, may seem harmless, but they too can turn to cannibalism in desperate times. When food becomes scarce, crickets will readily consume their injured or dead counterparts, ensuring their own survival in a challenging environment. From the chirping crickets, we move to the amphibian world, where certain frog species practice a rather unsettling form of population control. The African bullfrog, for example, is known to engage in cannibalism, particularly when food is scarce. In these desperate times, adult bullfrogs will readily consume their own tadpoles, ensuring their own survival at the expense of the next generation. Our journey through the animal kingdom's darker side brings us back to the world of arachnids. Spiders, often feared for their venomous bites, harbor a chilling secret. Many are cannibalistic. From the common house spider to the more exotic species, spiders will readily consume their own kind, especially when resources are limited. This behavior, while gruesome, helps to regulate spider populations and ensures the survival of the fittest individuals. We travel north to the frigid wastelands of the Arctic, home to the majestic polar bear. These apex predators, perfectly adapted for survival in a harsh environment, sometimes face the grim reality of starvation. In desperate times, driven by hunger and the instinct to survive, Polar bears have been known to hunt and kill their own kind, a chilling reminder of the brutal reality of life on the ice. Our journey takes us to the African savanna home to the majestic lion. These social cats, living in complex prides, are not exempt from the practice of cannibalism. While not their primary prey, lions have been known to kill and consume cubs, particularly those sired by rival males. This infanticide, while brutal, serves a purpose, bringing the lionesses back into heat and allowing the infanticidal male to father his own cubs. Our final stop takes us to the world of amphibians once more, this time focusing on salamanders. These seemingly innocuous creatures, often found lurking beneath rocks and logs, can exhibit surprising behavior. In certain species of salamanders, particularly in environments where resources are scarce or overcrowding occurs, both adults and larvae have been observed engaging in cannibalism. And there you have it, 12 astonishing examples of cannibalism in the animal kingdom. From the ocean depths to the frozen Arctic and even our own backyards, this behavior, while unsettling, is a testament to the power of natural selection. Remember, nature is full of surprises, and sometimes survival means making the toughest choices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible wildlife stories.